Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your account on Fusion Markets. And right here we click on start trading, and then he will send us to this page right here. Now we need to fill in our email address and create a password, and then select right here that we are over 18, and then we sign up for this first step. So first of all, we need to fill in everything correctly. And boom, there we are. Now we are in, and it's seriously that easy how you can create your account for Fusion Markets. Right now we can decide if you want to verify or want to try a free demo. So decide what you want to do. And right now we just created our account for Fusion Markets. So it's that easy, and hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.